very interesting charger from AliExpress. With a piece of metal inside. That's unbelievable. They still have original one, it's a little bit broken. As you can see, the text is different. The text is different here. And even if you look inside, you can see there's a lot of things. There's like capacitor here, there's a big transformer, loads of silicon. And look at this thing. It's just unbelievable. I like this one. A piece of metal. Unbelievable. Yeah, don't buy a charger from AliExpress. That's just rubbish. Unbelievable. There's nothing here. Like